Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ENS records using GoDaddy DNS settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify ENS records using GoDaddy DNS settings, first, log into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the My Products section in your account dashboard. Locate the domain you want to verify and click on DNS next to it. In the DNS management screen, scroll down to the Records section. Click on the Add button to create a new DNS record. Select the record type you need, typically, this will be a TXT record. In the Host field, enter the name or subdomain you are verifying. In the Value field, input the Ethereum name service record you received. Set the TTL to the default value or customize it as needed. Click on Save to add the record to your DNS settings. Wait a few minutes for the DNS changes to propagate across the internet. To verify the record, open an Ethereum Block Explorer or ENS Manager tool. Enter your domain name to check if the ENS record is displayed correctly. If everything is set up properly, you should see your ENS record listed. If it does not appear, double-check the record details in your GoDaddy DNS settings. Make sure no typos exist in the host or value fields. After confirming your settings are accurate, give it a bit more time and check again. Once verified, you can use your ENS records seamlessly in your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.